How you doing? This is Gregoire from SHP Financial, and the reason you're seeing this video is because I wanted to personally invite you to one of our upcoming retirement dinner workshops. I get it, folks, you've probably received tons of invitations in the mail, you've heard invitations on the radio, all from other firms on a weekly, daily basis trying to get you to come to their event. So I want to show you and let you know that our event most likely will be a lot different than what you've seen in the past. At other events, they sit you down in a room and they go through slide after slide after slide of what they want to tell you. They're dictating your night. At our workshops, we let you tell us what keeps you up at night, what prevents you from retiring, and we address those issues. So a recent workshop we did, we had a few different questions. One person was concerned about healthcare. They had read the cost of inflation in terms of what healthcare is going to grow to is going to be exponential, and how they're going to prepare for that in retirement. Another couple was concerned about maximizing legacy in the most tax-efficient manner to their children and their next generations. And another person just said, hey, how do we retire and stay retired? How do we retire when we want to and not have the risk of going back to work or having to go back to work? Those are just a few samples, but we want to know, what's your question? What prevents you from retiring? What are you concerned about? And we'll have a nice dinner, we'll answer your questions, get to know you better, you can get to know us better. So hopefully you'll take us up on the offer, and we look forward to seeing you soon.